Morgan Hill, a fun, vibrant place with that small town vibe.
And it's right next to Silicon Valley. Surrounded by amazing wineries, local tasting rooms, and great restaurants.
Plus, endless nature to explore for a fun, active lifestyle.
Today, we're at one of my favorite retirement communities, the Pine Tree Villa.
It's a gated community with wonderful amenities and 2 miles from downtown.
Welcome to 16950 Sugar Pine Drive. Let's go check it out.
Built in 1991, almost 1,300 square feet, all on a single level, and the floor plan just flows so great. From the dining room to the kitchen to this amazing great room with high vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. In the front of the house, you have a great guest room with a built-in wall bed, indoor laundry, hall bath, and this relaxing primary retreat.
If you're looking for the ideal place to retire with an affordable, active lifestyle, but still the convenience of the South Bay,
Then we have the home for you. Call us today to get a private tour.